Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Ralph in the Key, and welcome to another edition of Key by the Numbers. This week, Key by the Numbers, we have so many numbers that I have to use visual aids to explain it to you. We're going to talk about these promotional exams, why it's so necessary to study hard with the Key, knock these promotional exams out of the park, and move ahead on the job. You're not really sure if the Key's the best? Well, just ask your boss, and they'll tell you, okay? So let's look at some raw numbers and see what we're talking about here. Right now, there are 26,801 POs and detectives on the job. There are 4,379 sergeants on the job. That means the minute you make sergeant, congratulations, here's your chevrons. The minute you make sergeant, there are now 31,180 people that you no longer have to listen to. You outrank all the cops, and you have 4,000 or so peers that can't tell you what to do. Over 31,000 people that can't tell you what to do, right? Now, let's say you move forward, right, and you make lieutenant, because the only reason why you take the sergeant's exam is so that you could take the lieutenant's exam. Otherwise, why do it, right? There are 1,615 lieutenants on the job right now. Okay, 1,615 lieutenants. You make lieutenant, there are 32,795 people that you no longer have to listen to. Look at that number again. 32,795 people that can't order you around on the job. Also, when you're a lieutenant, you're consistently the highest ranked person in the room, right? Let's say you go to a command. There's 195 cops in that precinct that you don't have to listen to, 35 or so sergeants that you don't have to listen to, and 4 or 5 peer lieutenants that can't tell you what to do. So basically, if you're in a precinct, unless the CO or the XO are working, you don't have to listen to anybody, okay? Oh, you want to go to the detective bureau? Even better. You go to the detective bureau as a sergeant, automatically you get a piece of the weekend or the whole weekend. No more jockeying for days off, going around charts. Detective bureau, you're automatically off Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, Monday, or you get the whole weekend. When you get to be lieutenant, you automatically get weekends off, right? You're a lieutenant in the detective bureau. You are a squad CO. That means you're not a boss. You are the boss in that detective squad. So let's say you're in the 3-4 squad and they don't like the job you're doing. So they send you to the 4-5 squad. When you go to the 4-5 squad, do you know what you are? You're the squad CO. So they can move you, but you're still the boss, okay? Now, let's do one more number. The last number is 366. There are 366 captains and above on the job. That's it. 366 captains and above on the job. That means 32,795 people can't tell you what to do. And the bulk of the captains are your peers. They can't tell you what to do. So you automatically outrank all those people. Okay, this is why you need to study for exams, stay ahead. You need to study with the Key. Now remember, live captains classes start for the Key on Saturday, November 22nd in Rockland. Okay, you need to sign up for that if you're a lieutenant. You need to stay ahead of all these people, okay, and take care of your pension and your career. Until we meet again next time, remember that preparation is the key. Peace out, everyone.